After you've satisfied the 3 tests for interim reliefs, there are various interim reliefs that you can seek, some of which are attachment before judgment, injunction, status quo order, and other reliefs such as declaration of assets on an affidavit, deposit of security, etc. When you seek an attachment before judgment, the essential ingredient that you need to satisfy is that the respondent or the other side has an intention to dispose of the assets to make sure that you as a plaintiff or the petitioner is unable to recover the money, assuming that the decree was in your favor, or that the defendant is trying to run away from the courts and therefore you're wanting it for an attachment before judgment. In regard to injunction, the courts usually look at giving temporary injunction until the disposal of the suit. Where they are looking to give a temporary injunction, they restrain a party from taking an action, or either parties from taking an action to alienate the property, dispose of the property, damage the property, etc. So injunction is a temporary injunction is in the nature of a relief that ensures that no party takes any active steps to destroy the suit property or the property in dispute. Then there is status quo orders, which are a modern form of injunction, essentially directing parties to maintain the same state of affairs as exists on so and so date when the order is passed. In that regard, it is relevant to note that a status quo order does not allow parties to create further rights after the passing of the status quo order. Then there are other orders, such as when you file a suit, you would want the other party to disclose the assets or give a security to the court to ensure that your rights are protected, and so on and so forth.